Hi there, welcome to Use and DIY. My name is Ben. In this video we're checking out these brand new Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Let's do it. Okay, so I've been looking at these smart glasses now for a long time since they came out, and I've been so tempted so many times to go for it, and I've gone for it. So this video, I know there's other videos out there, I'm late to the game, I know, I've gone for a kind of an honest review though. I bought these myself. So there's a significant amount of money. I paid £560 for these in total. So when we get inside, we'll have a look at them. But I've gone for the Wayfarer, as you can see on the box there. They're a transition lens as well, going from obviously clear to sunglasses, which is what I wanted for the money, especially. So yeah, we've gone for it. And as I say, it's the Wayfarer ones. I was looking at the headliners, but went for the Wayfarer in the end after trying them on. So this video will look at the ordering process, the unboxing of the device, the kind of setup here on the desk, and then kind of the first impressions. I'll then use them for a little bit, and I'll do a future video maybe after a month, just kind of a month's proper usage of them and like a proper review. So yeah, ordering, unboxing, and first impressions. Okay, so ordering process. So you can get these from Ray-Ban directly, or you can get them from Meta. Now I've found if you wanted to go for the prescription lenses, I think it was, you had to go through Ray-Ban. You could only get standard lenses through Meta. So I had to go through Ray-Ban. Prices are the same in terms of the frames, but obviously I think you've got to go Ray-Ban for the prescription. I don't really know about that. Overall, I would probably give it a 7 out of 10 in terms of the ordering process. Ordering them was fine on the website. Order goes through. You have to validate the prescription by sending some detail in. That's fine. I found it got to the point on the website where it said I'd ordered. It was processing. That was it. It still hasn't changed today when I've received them on the Ray-Ban website. So I've gone into the chat a couple of times. You know, I've spent a lot of money on these glasses just to make sure that the order is okay and there's no problems. And it has been, it's been fine. But there's no updates on your order on the Ray-Ban website, which I found really strange. So I don't know if it's a one-off for me or if it's kind of a bit of a clunky ordering system, processing system. I'm not sure. And they have come from China as well. So these obviously must be manufactured, built in China and packaged across the world. Or maybe they maybe do them in the USA for US citizens. I'm not sure. But anyway, we've got it. It came today, a couple of weeks after I ordered. So it was pretty good, really, for a prescription glasses, because they can take a while. And I did have to validate them with a form from my optician just to confirm my prescription. So that was the ordering process. A little clunky overall, but I've got them. They're here. 7 out of 10, maybe 7.5. But there's room for improvement. Hopefully, I'm a one-off maybe, but I don't know. Let's see. So next up, we'll have a look in the box. I'll bring them down onto the desk. I've got another camera here, so we'll look at them, see what the unboxing's like, and then get them set up. Okay, so unboxing-wise, lovely packaging in terms of the box. You've obviously got the, I'll show it up here, and I'll show it down here, actually, on the Wayfarer there. You can see there. It comes with a couple of, a little Ray-Ban and Meta slip pack here. So we'll just see what you get inside here. So, certificate of authenticity, and then the actual forms around the prescription, etc. in there, just confirming everything in there. I won't look in there because there's some personal information on those forms, but I've got a certificate of authenticity, which is Ray-Ban, with all the details on there. So yeah, that's great. And how to safely package your returns. If you're returning things, it shows you on that form how to do that. So they come outside of the actual main box, and this is the main box. So down on this camera again, you've got a little strip which you need to tear off, which I failed miserably at. There we go. Listen, call, live stream from there. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so you can see in there, folds out really, really nice. You've got the case itself, obviously with the glasses inside. The MetaView app QR code on there. It looks to me like there's a cloth in here. So I've got a cleaning cloth there, which is branded. I don't know if you can see that on that camera, but there's the Ray-Ban and Meta branding. Lovely touch. And on this side, we've got getting started guide, prescription notification, and a safety and warranty booklet there. Lovely packaging. Really, really nicely thought out. It folds out into that kind of folded out view. Really, really nice. And again, you've got the listen, call, and the live stream tagline there, which is what these can do. So it does say on the back of it as well that it's got made for iPhone tag on there. I have looked, there is an Android app which I'm hoping does work. because I've got an Android phone, but we will see. So let's have a first look at the glasses and I'll try them on the camera. So as you've probably seen before, if you're looking at these videos, you've probably seen other videos on it. It's the original style of Ray-Ban case with that brown leather look, with the single button pouch there, which has obviously got the smart LED built in. So I'll take the glasses out. There we go. So there's the glasses themselves. So try them on for the first time. They're a similar size to my glasses. Okay, there we go. So they do fit. They're a nice fit. I was so worried about the fit. I think they look all right in terms of the width of them. They're not pulling in or anything there. If I'll show them down on the desk, they're kind of the exact same width as my standard glasses I've got here as well. Very similar style actually to them, if you look to that camera. So these are a medium. I think these are classed as a medium. I have tried the large and the extra large on before, and they were kind of massive on my head. So I've just had a notification in my ears there that the battery's at 85%. Okay, let me jump into the instructions, see what I'm actually doing, and then I will get them set up. Okay, just looked in the mirror, like the glasses, look a bit of a geek, I think, in them, but that's kind of I am a little bit of a geek, so it's all cool. Quite a thick frame. I do have some other glasses, like those are a little thick, but not too thick. I've got some other ones that are quite thick. So obviously thicker down there as well. They are a transition, so I've got the light coming in through the window a little bit, so they kind of, I think they are, I don't know if you can see that on camera, going a little bit grey. But yeah, I went for the grey rather than the green as well with the lens. So down on the desk down here, I've got the Meta View application ready on my phone. So I'm going to start recording on the screen as well. So hopefully now you can see that on the screen somewhere. I'll pop it on here somewhere. And I'm going to Meta View, get started. So we'll step through this, hopefully it's nice and quick. That's me on Meta. Obviously just tick through all this, make sure it's all good. Well, let's get emails. Signing in. As I say, I've not done anything on this yet, so let's just hope that it goes smoothly first time. Allow nearby access. This is allowing access obviously to get these. We've got the newer Ray-Ban Meta. Remove the tab. Done. Okay. May need to put them back in the case perhaps. Let's do that now. I think I jumped the gun a little bit. Okay, so they're in the case. Okay, so I think I might have been doing that wrong. So there's a button on the back. So I'm going to press and hold the button. There, so it's flashing now. So done. I think I jumped the gun. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I took them out. I think I shouldn't have took them out of the case. There we go. So it's connecting now, hopefully. See it flashing blue, hopefully, on there. Let's pair. Activating. So we're doing this in real time, so bear with me. I kind of wanted to show a true kind of life use case of this happening. We'll get notifications, allow. So it's downloading an update. I thought it might have done this. So it's downloading an update now. I'll pause the video there and I'll jump back in once it's downloaded the update rather than you watching a boring screen of it loading. So give me a couple of minutes hopefully and we'll continue. Okay, so as you can hopefully see on the screen recording, we're install update now. So it's downloaded it, it's installing. At the bottom there, you can hopefully see on the screen recording up here maybe, or here, I don't know where I'll put it, but it says 4 minutes remaining. So again, I'm not going to leave this on for 4 minutes while you look at it. So I'm back in 4 minutes. The download did take about 2, so hopefully it does take about 4. So see ya in 4. Okay, as you can see on the screen recording, somewhere here, the glasses are all updated now, so it's ready to go into the next screen. So it did take around 4 minutes to install that software and then to restart the glasses as well. So we'll go next. So it says put on your glasses, so I 100% definitely shouldn't have done that before I did. So we'll take them out of here now. Okay, so I'm getting audio firing down into my ears, obviously. So we've got take a photo. So take a photo. Start recording. Okay, so that should be recording now. So I press the button again. So I could see a tiny little light in the corner of my eye there actually. So play music, touch the touchpad once, which I assume is there. So that is playing music. Let me bring it to the microphone a little. So I'll turn the volume up. Pause music, press it once again. So play, pause, volume, really intuitive actually. You've got a little button on top, I didn't even realise were there. So that's that. So that's the basics done. Let's go on to advanced features. So we can use the wake word to do it. So we'll say, so it's just about voice recording, which I'll go ahead with. Location services, let's go for it. Let's just go for it. So we'll go, while using the app, we'll do all that later. Share additional data, why not? Get rid of capture. So I'm going to try the wake word now and see what it does. So, hey Meta. Hey Meta. What time is it?
It's 7:38 p.m.
Okay, so that worked. So I've noticed my accent then when I said hey Meta, it doesn't do it. Hey Meta, it does do it. What time is it?
It's 7:39 p.m.
So you really got to pronounce the T in Meta. So hey Meta, hello. Okay, hey Meta. So yeah, you've really got to pronounce the T in the Meta. Okay, that's everything set up now. So I've got the view on the phone up here, which I'll show. So I'll just go around the kind of user interface a little bit. At the top left-hand corner, you can see I've got the glasses and a 95% charge by the looks of it. That's 95% battery charge. They were at 85%, so charge 10% when they're in the case. You've got all your different kind of settings here in the application. Voice control, privacy, all the stuff that we went through. We can change all that. Camera. So you got up to 60 seconds of video recording. Music. So at the moment it looks like you got Spotify. So I don't actually have Spotify, so I'll have to see what I can do there. I'll probably get the free version of Spotify, hopefully. Gallery. So you've got the settings in there. So basically all your settings that are in there, that's fine. So if I go back a step, if I go back into the application, and go to home, I've got the images which I took, I can then import them. So it's going to import them from the glasses onto the phone by the looks of it. Okay, so we're going to gallery review now, it's imported them. You can see the video I recorded. It's playing the audio through there as well. The audio is really impressive actually. Really impressive, the audio. I was actually really surprised first of all with the audio. And that's the picture I took. So also there, just two quick first tests. You can see the camera I've got in front of me on my screen. So that's the video there. And you can also share them to different places there. What else have we got? So we've got home screen. You've got some stuff, more stuff you can do on the home screen. Notifications, settings. Again, it's those settings. So that's everything there. It's nice and simply laid out. Not too complicated, quite intuitive. So yeah, overall, so far, first impression wise, really, really good. Hopefully you agree they look all right. They're quite a thick, obviously thick frame. What I might try and do is just go outside in these into the sunshine a little bit and darken them up. Because I do feel like I'll use them more when I'm out and about, not sat at my desk perhaps all the time. Probably choose my normal glasses. But if I'm out and about where I might need sunglasses, I'll probably wear these quite a lot. I'm definitely kind of on holidays and going out on day trips and things. So yeah, really, really good so far. Really, really impressed. Okay, we're all done in this first video now. This kind of mini series I'll do on these Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. So first impressions, really, really impressed. The quality of them. This case is really, really nice. It's that original, the original look of the Ray-Ban case. The kind of leather, obviously smartened up with the buttons and the charging capability inside there. So that's a really, really nice touch. Really nice soft leather as well. So yeah, overall really clever actually in the way they've designed that and really thought that out. The setup process, very intuitive. I obviously jumped ahead a couple of steps, that's why it went kind of wrong for me, but it was simple enough as, you know, just holding down the button on the back to repair the glasses, or to get them paired to the phone. Application, really simple to use. Again, really intuitive, takes you through the steps, good visuals on there in terms of what to do, what to press and when. And then obviously going through that initial tour of the glasses, telling you how to use them and what to do with them. So hopefully it's been quite an informative video. This is a really quick first video unboxing and that ordering process, which not many people have covered, to be fair. So I notice a lot of people get them sent for free. I paid for these with my hard-earned money. So yeah, ordering process, not so great. Unboxing, lovely, really nice unboxing experience there with the box that folded out. You're getting the cloth included, everything included with the case, the glasses, obviously everything there. Setup, really good. So next kind of video, I've got a trip coming up to Dublin. I'm going to take these with me. I think that is what I'll do. So the next video will kind of be maybe more of an experience video. So I'll show some footage using the glasses, travelling to Dublin on the plane, etc. over there, maybe drinking a Guinness or two, and the experiences there, and then do a kind of summary at the end of that. So hopefully that'll be a part 2. This has been part 1. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any questions about the glasses, anything I've said at all in the video, about the ordering process, unboxing, the glasses themselves, please do let me know. Drop the questions into the comment section. Anything you want me to cover in part 2 or beyond, again, ask that in the comment section. Happy to take on board any suggestions. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more tech reviews, product reviews, home DIY projects, and much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.